All right, now we're going to look at these handles. How would we do these handles? That's a good question. It really is. It's a very interesting shape. If you look at dips in, and then it also contours with the surface. So that's kind of why I chose this model, just for the handles alone, and let alone the shape of it and how easy it is kind of produce this part, but the handle will kind of stump you. So I'll blindly go into a cube and try to venture forth. First off, I'm going to try to make this profile. So it's got this dip in it. How do I produce that dip? For me, I would probably start out like something like this. I'm just going to jump into a side view here. And I'm extruding like that. And if I hit 4, I can kind of see what this looks like. Or 3, sorry. Oops. Got to really watch it. My undo doesn't work for some odd reason. Which, at first I thought, wow, this is going to suck. I can't undo. But really, if you work with no undo for a little bit, you realize that, you're concentrating on not making too many mistakes. And at first it's frustrating, and then after a while you're like, wow, I did this in record time. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just kind of duplicate that over. So I'll grab this face and delete it. Dog Victor. This is actually in the Z axis, which is kind of weird for me to do that. What I want to do here is flip it over to X. Okay, how I do that is just rotate it negative 90 on Y. Now here's positive X, that's good. And then I'll modify freeze transformation, and now it just believes it's on positive X. So when I do like a duplicate special square box, I could just go to -1 and hit apply, and there it is. Now, I could just live with that, but there's this little thing called instance, and if I apply it, what that'll do, it'll give me the ability to manipulate this side, and that side just comes along for the ride. Sweet, like that. Okay, now the very shape of it here says something like this. Now when I want to get rid of the instance, I could just go like this. Edit, delete by type history. Now these are two shapes. And then I can mesh combine them. And if I want to join them all the way, I could just highlight these vertices and go merge. So now there's no more instance on the model. See? Alright, so there's my basic profile of it. Now let's see what else we have to do in the next video.